Full service, elite team, ZhYao. Welcome to ZhYao, where we have a global team of expert service and installation professionals. We ensure every step delivers quality service to our customers. R&D department, gathering industry elite engineers and technical experts, dedicated to innovation in automatic powder coating line technology. And new product development, production department, equipped with international production equipment, complemented by a meticulous quality control system, ensuring every powder coating machine meets high standards. Sales department, our team is full of passion and professionalism. They are well versed in market dynamics and highly customer focused. They listen to every need and are committed to providing tailored solutions for our customers. After sales department, the after sales department offers professional technical support and service guarantees. Each after sales engineer is a trusted partner for our customers. A more sincere attitude and efficient service. To respond promptly to each customer's needs, we are here to help you solve your problems and ensure that your experience is always smooth and worry-free. Choose ZhYao, and you will benefit from a full range of professional services. This includes R&D, production, sales, and after-sales support.